hopefully the fact that temperatures are going to start trending up is good news to you as well. But we've got to get through another really cold morning. And this morning, as you're driving into work, you're probably going to be cranking up the heat. I know I did. Our temperatures down into the 20s in many spots. Buckeye, good morning. You're waking up to 24 degrees. It's below freezing in Peoria at 30, down to 29 in Laveen. And look at those temperatures across the East Valley. Scottsdale also at 29, below freezing in Tempe, where we're sitting at 30 degrees, 30 in Mesa, 30 in Gilbert, and Queen Creek. You're colder, coming in at 28 degrees. So really cold morning here in the valley, but we're also feeling those very cold wind chills in the high country. Bitter cold, really, as we're 15 degrees below zero. That's a feels like temperature in Winslow at this hour. So definitely coats, those hats, those scarves, that will be necessary as you leave the house in northern Arizona. And in the valley, I think we're going to be wearing our heavier jackets for sure through the morning at least. By this afternoon, though, temperatures will start trending up. Today's high up to 58 in Phoenix. We'll see those upper 40s in Globe with a high of 51 in Sedona. Now we're still going to end up below average. 30-year average is 66. We're still seeing those temperatures running about 5 to 10 degrees below the average, but at least it's a start. We'll also keep those clear skies around, and it's all because of high pressure setting in. That's what's going to help warm us up, at least for a few days. Then we've got bigger changes. As we track a storm system moving into northern California, clouds will start to increase across Arizona on Saturday, and then the rain chances go up by Saturday night. It'll be sunny and dry to finish out the week, but Saturday night we've got a 20% chance for rain, and by Sunday that rain chance up to 50%. That is why it's an ABC 15 weather action day. Sunday looking a little soggy. Showers are expected through much of the day, but I've gotten a better idea of the timing of this. It looks like from about midnight to 2 p.m. is when we're going to see our best chances on Sunday. So morning plans will be affected. The afternoon may not be so bad. We could see maybe a quarter of an inch to half an inch of rain in the valley, with snow levels down to 6,000 feet. Not as cold as this most recent storm, but accumulating snow is still possible in Flagstaff. I'll break down your hour-by-hour forecast for today in just a bit.